Hey, sheet shakers! It's the big sheet head here, Andrew. Really fun little quick video. Here's 4 ways to make a new sheet. There's lots of reasons why you want to know all of them. I've used all of them, and here they are. So you can literally go to any Chrome browser and go to Sheet.new. I use it all the time to make a brand new, smack dab out of the oven spreadsheet. Everything's there for you, 26 columns, 1,000 rows, untitled. Boom, you got one. Now, next way you can do is click a few times. If you don't want to type 9 characters, you can go to File, New Spreadsheet. That's File, New, then Spreadsheet. There you go. That's how to make a new spreadsheet. You got a brand new spreadsheet straight from the oven, 26 columns, 1,000 rows. It's called Untitled Spreadsheet. Now, the third way is actually really easy because if you have a template, like I like to use the same color and the same text font color, and I like to make a little bit of changes, and I might want to use that as a template and then make every new spreadsheet that way. This is what you would do. You have a spreadsheet like this where I've already taken off all of the columns to the right. I've taken down 982 of the rows. I've deleted those. I've made all the changes I want to make, and I can go to File, Make a Copy, and I can make a copy. So I can call it New Sheet. There you go. And now this way, when you make a new sheet, it doesn't have 26 columns. It doesn't have 1,000 rows. It's set up exactly how you like to have a new sheet set up. Okay, and now the fourth way, which you may or may not have known about. I use this often when I share sheets with people. I'm okay with them having access to the sheet, but at the very first blush, at the first impression, I want them to make a copy, and so that they own it, they have it, and this is how you do it. You go up to the URL at the top where it says Edit. I delete that, and I have just the docs.google.com/spreadsheet/D, and then I have this ID number, right? Make sure you have that slash at the end, and then type in copy, hit enter, and it'll bring you here. So this is what people see. If you share this URL with someone and they have access to the Google Sheet, it will have them make a copy right away. Now, 100% they still have access to the actual document, so do understand that. I think you can give a couple of permission. You can make them just a viewer, and they can still make a copy. You can also unallow them to make a copy, but in this case we want to make a copy, so you can take any URL, add copy at the end, and then when we hit make a copy, it will literally make a copy in our Google Drive, and we have a brand new, see it says copy of 4 ways to make a new sheet. This, I find, is one of the most fantastic ways to share files with people that I know they need a copy of it, and instead of being like, hey, go here, go to File, make a copy, make it your own, literally just adding this /copy at the end has saved other people so much time and so much hassle and so much time on myself to explain, here's how to make a copy. Boom, right away, one click, they make a copy, and that's 4 ways to make a new sheet.